Okay, starting packet tracer activity D2-313. I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do. So then try to make this network work. I'm going to wire everything up and see if I can make it work. So we'll start off by grabbing some copper straight through. Remember in class it taught us that like devices should be hooked up with crossover cables and unlike devices should have straight through cables. So we're going to hook a switch to some PCs, so they should obviously be straight throughs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and patch the fast Ethernet number 1 to PC number 1. We'll do the same thing for number 2 to number 2, and 3 to 3, and of course 4 to 4, and 5 to 5. And here we don't have a 6, 7, or 8, but we do have a 9 and 10. So we'll start back from 1. Hook this guy up here to number 10. Then we'll hook our printer to number 3. And number 4 for our server. Okay, just by looking at the diagram, we can see we already have all kinds of lovely little problems starting to pop up. Green means good, red means bad. So let's try to figure out what's wrong with our connections here. Looks like this whole side's all screwed up. So let's take a peek and see what we get. So, alright. Switch to enable. Show run. And it says here that we have duplex full for number 3, but apparently it doesn't seem to like that. So let's find out why. So open that puppy up and take a peek and see what we have. Here it's showing half duplex auto. Alright. Let's see if we can't fix that problem. So back in our switch, we're going to run a let's see here, configure T. Alright, conf T. And then INT fast Ethernet 0. That's number 3. Let's take a peek. And then we're going to say duplex. Set it to auto and see if that fixes that problem. Yeah, and it does. So just by changing it to automatically configure itself, as you can see it fixed itself. That orange will turn green here in just a few minutes. So we have a similar problem over on the other side on switch 2. So let's go ahead and exit. Come back here, you. Where am I at? Config, exit. Alright, so exit. It's like I got an extra character in there. And then show run. And everything looks wunderbar. Me and my fat fingers. Alright. Now we'll come over here to switch number 1. Do the same thing and figure out what's wrong up here. Looks like. Alright. Enable. And start with the show run. See how everything's set up. Duplex full. Number 3 and 4 is not set, so apparently it doesn't like duplex full. Let's take a peek and see why. because as I said again, set at half duplex. So we're set to duplex auto, so it'll automatically just figure it out and take care of business. Come here, you. All right, get in there. Okay. So we've already enabled or ran a show run, so let's go configure conf t. Alright. Then after conf t, we're going to go ahead and set the interface. And I believe that was number 1. Number 9 is number 1 in this case. So FA01. And we're going to set that to duplex auto. And it fixed that little problem. As you can see, it's turning green already. Isn't that wonderful? We'll exit, one layer out, and we'll set the next interface. This should be 02. And we'll set him to duplex auto as well. And he's fixed. And exit, and show run. Now number 3 and 4 are not set, but they're showing red as well. So let's take a peek at how they're configured and see why they're acting strange. So if we come in and look, aha, they're set to full duplex. So it should be duplex full, if I remember correctly, is what the command should be, but since I'm unsure, we're going to double check. Okay, so we're going to go conf t. And this is number 3 and 4 appropriately. So they will be, we're going to try to set interface 3. Oops. 0/3. We know it's duplex something, so let's throw the little question mark in there. Come here, you. There it goes. And it's showing we have 1, 2, 3 options: auto, full, or half. So, and we know that it was set to full, so we're going to set it to full. So I want duplex full. Okay, change that link state, so let's take a peek. Hey, it turned green. Son of a gun. Now let's see if that's the same problem here. So we have him. Let's take a peek. Exact same problem. So we'll set him to the same thing. So we need to exit out one layer, come back in, FA0/4, and set him duplex full, and he turned green, so that looks good. We can say exit, and then exit out again. Everybody should be fat and dumb and happy now. So, okay. So now let's try pinging a few things all over the place. Should be able to ping from this PC to this PC, you would think. So he's already acquired an IP address of number 27, 192.168.18.27. And he's 25, the middle being 26. So we'll go to 25, open him up, and go to the command prompt. And from number 25 here, we're going to go to 27. Let's try that first. Ping 192.168.18.27. And we're getting replies, so that's good. So let's try up here. See if we get his IP address figured out. Come on. Ah, there it was. I just missed it. Try that again. Hover. So his is number 4, 18.4. So we'll try again here. Ping 192.168.18.4. And we're getting replies. Isn't that wonderful? So now I'm going to try the server over here. Come on. You can show me. Being difficult. Close that. There we go. So this is 172.16.5.5. Wonder if I can reach that. That was what again? Five. 16.5. Try again. Once. All right. 16.5.5. Okay. 5.5. And we're getting a reply. Alright. So everything looks hunky-dory. I figure that's it. I got everything running here, so it looks okay to me. I guess that's it.